Hello and welcome to SF State's P-Card Team Tutorials. In this tutorial we will show you how to calculate use tax. California use tax is imposed on the purchaser for the storage, use, or consumption of tangible personal property or tangible items. Tangible personal property is personal property which can be seen, weighed, measured, felt, and touched. SF State is not sales tax exempt. The California State Board of Equalization requires SF State to pay California sales and use tax on all taxable transactions. It is the cardholder's responsibility to figure out the use tax on these purchases, and the university will file a return and remit the use tax directly to the State Board of Equalization at the end of each month. As a P-Card cardholder, you need to determine and pay the proper amount of use tax due to the California State Board of Equalization at the end of the billing cycle. The use tax amount should be manually entered on the ProCard statement after you determine how much the tax should be. The tax rate should be used based on the location where the tangible personal property is intended to be used. As of January 1st, the sales tax rate is 8.5% for San Francisco, 8.25% for Tiburon for RTC, and 8.75% for Redwood City. This table will show you items which are taxable and non-taxable. Some taxable items include shipping and handling if combined, delivery fees, rush fees, dry ice fees, and certain software maintenance. Some non-taxable items include shipping, freight, downloads, rental of space, services, and labor fees. If you have any questions regarding use tax, please contact the P-Card office. In example 1, the question reads, I purchased a computer monitor online for $200. The shipping was an additional $20. I was not charged any tax during this purchase. How much use tax do I owe? The answer is you will only owe use tax for the item subtotal of $200 since shipping is not taxable. You will calculate $200 for the item and multiply that by 8.5%, which is the San Francisco sales tax rate, giving you a total of $17. You will need to write $17 on the right-hand side of the ProCard statement next to the amount column. Please refer to the end slide of how to print your ProCard statement in CFS for an example of where to manually write down the use tax on your ProCard statement. In example number 2, the question reads, I purchased a computer monitor online for $200. The handling was an additional $15. I was not charged any tax during the purchase. How much use tax do I owe? The answer is you will owe use tax for the item subtotal of $200 and the handling fee of $15 since handling is taxable. You will calculate $200 for the item and $15 for the handling fee, totaling $215. Multiply that by 8.5%, which is the San Francisco sales tax rate, giving you a total of $18.27. You will need to write $18.27 on the right-hand side of the ProCard statement next to the amount column. In example 3, the question reads, I purchased a computer monitor online for $200. The shipping and handling was an additional $35. I was not charged any tax during the purchase. How much use tax do I owe? The answer is you will owe use tax for the item subtotal of $200 and the shipping and handling fee of $35. Even though shipping is not taxable, when the vendor combines them both, there is no way of knowing how much each charge is, therefore the combined total should be taxed. You will calculate $200 for the item plus $35 for the shipping and handling, totaling $235. Multiply that by 8.5%, which is the San Francisco sales tax rate, giving you a total of $19.97. You will need to write $19.97 on the right-hand side of the ProCard statement next to the amount column. This concludes our tutorial on how to calculate use tax. Thanks for watching.